Did you know you can now edit videos with just a single click? Using Meta AI Segment Anything Model 2. You can add effects and highlight any object in your video with just one click by using Meta Segment Anything Model 2. Artificial intelligence is reaching the next level. Meta has launched a new AI model called SAM2, Segment Anything Model 2. With this, you can easily track any object in a video or image. And after tracking, you can apply effects on it or highlight it. As you can see in this sample, multiple objects are tracked and highlighted. If you do the same task with video editing software, it will take a lot of time. But with this model, you can do it in just a few minutes. To try this model, simply click here and this screen will open. This is a demo video. Here you can change the demo video. There are more demo videos to try as well. And from here you can also upload your own video. For now, I am selecting this demo video to show you. Now we need to select our object. Here I can select this dog, the ball, or even this person. So now I'll show you by tracking the ball. To select the object, you first need to pause the video. Then simply click on the object and it will be selected. Then click on the track button. It will scan the entire video. And wherever the object is visible, it will be tracked. And this blue line will show where the object is visible. Then click on Next, and from here we can apply effects to the selected object. And we can also apply the same effects to the background. Here is the erase effect, which will make the object disappear but does not cover the background. The gradient effect will apply a gradient color to the object. This effect allows us to blur the object. With overlay, we can highlight the object, and if you click on this effect again, the overlay effect will change. You can also apply an emoji to the object, and if you click on it again, the emoji will change. This is a very good model because if you were doing the same task with video editing software, it would take a lot of time. And this is the burst effect, which is also very good. And this last spotlight effect is also very good for highlighting the object. And these are the background effects, which will apply effects to the area excluding the selected object. You can try these effects yourself. Simply search for Meta SAM2 on Google, and you will find the website. And after editing, you can also download the video, but it is not downloading now because I used the demo video. When you use your own video, you might get the download option. Thank you all very much for watching the video.